Class 7 Physical Education and Well-Being Khel Yatra Unit 6 Yoga.
Welcome to my channel Class Winners Books.
Unit 6 Yoga. Overview and Philosophy of Yoga. Yoga is an ancient practice for uniting body, mind, and spirit to promote health, peace, and balanced growth. The Sanskrit word yoga means to join or to unite. Yoga helps improve physical strength, mental calmness, emotional control, and social harmony. Growing in all 5 layers, Pacha Kosha, physical, energy, mind, wisdom, and bliss, leads to holistic well-being. Pacha Kosha, 5 layers of existence. 1. Annamaya Kosha, physical body, the part we can see and feel. Physical exercises, proper nutrition, and rest keep this layer healthy. Yoga postures, asanas, strengthen and balance it. 2. Pranamaya Kosha, energy body represents vital energy, prana, flowing through the body. Breathing exercises, pranayam, mudras, and cleansing kriyas strengthen this layer. 3. Manomaya Kosha, mind governs thoughts, emotions, and reactions. Meditation, mantra chanting, and relaxing activities calm this layer. 4. Vijnanamaya Kosha, wisdom involves knowledge, self-awareness, and wise decision-making. Reflective practices and study enhance this layer. 5. Anandamaya Kosha, bliss, the innermost layer of pure joy and peace. Deep meditation connects us here. Ashtanga Yoga, the 8 limbs. Yoga follows a path of 8 steps, with each contributing to growth and peace. Yam, social ethics, non-violence, truthfulness, etc. Niyama, personal disciplines, cleanliness, contentment, etc. Asana, physical postures to strengthen the body. Pranayam, breath control to harness energy. Pratyahara, sense control to reduce distractions. Dharana, concentration on a single point. Dhyana, meditation for inner calm. Samadhi, deepest bliss and enlightenment. Yoga session structure. 1. Opening prayer, a Sanskrit chant invoking protection, nourishment, success, and peace for both teacher and students. 2. Warm-up exercises. Sukshma Vyayama, gentle small joint movements to loosen fingers, wrists, elbows, shoulders. Sithilikrana Vyayama, simple stretching movements to prepare and relax the spine and muscles. 3. Yoga postures, asanas. Examples with step-by-step actions. Utkatsana, chair pose strengthens legs and spine, improves concentration. Gomukhasana, cow face pose opens shoulders and hips, improves posture. Dhanursana, bow pose flexibility for spine and chest, improves digestion. Sarvangasana, shoulder stand boosts circulation, strengthens the thyroid. Matsyasana, fish pose supports lung capacity, relieves tension. 4. Sun salutation, Surya Namaskara. Sequence of 12 dynamic postures with breath coordination for strength and energy. 5. Pranayam, breathing exercises. Sectional breathing, alternate nostril breathing, Nadi Shuddhi, humming bee breath, Bhramri, and bellows breath, Bhastrika, for balance and focus. 6. Mudras. Hand gestures like Janana Mudra, Knowledge Mudra, to calm and energize. 7. Pratyahara, sense withdrawal. Activities such as listening to fading temple bell sounds and focusing exercises to control the senses. 8. Dharana and Dhyana, concentration and meditation. Or practices to steady the mind including gazing techniques, Jatrutratka, guided meditation, and deeper states of calm. 9. Relaxation, Shavasana. Or final resting pose to restore body and mind. 10. Closing prayer, invoking happiness, health, and universal peace. additional practices and games. Krida Yoga, playful yoga games to develop body awareness, balance, focus, and teamwork. Yoga of reflection, mirror and copy postures to build mindfulness and trust among students. Teaching and safety guidelines. Perform yoga on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning. Wear loose, comfortable clothes. Avoid forced postures or straining. Always listen to bodily signals and rest if feeling unwell. Supervise students for correct form and safe breathing. Use modifications for difficulty or limitations. Assessment and reflection. Includes formative assessments via quizzes, riddles, matching activities related to koshas and yoga concepts. Self-assessment forms for personal growth in disciplines and habits. Teacher evaluation charts assessing engagement, posture accuracy, and conceptual understanding. Encourages journaling, gratitude, and self-observation.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Class Winner Books.